two ways to get crypto. You can either buy it or you can mine it. Everyone's buying it. Why don't I mine it?
So you decided to buy that first miner. How much did you spend on it?
So I spent $400 for my first Antminer L3 Plus. It was making like cents, but I really just bought it to see if I could actually be successful in setting it up. It took a while for me to be able to actually set it up. It was just sitting in my parents' house for like 2 weeks, not making any money. And then I was like, this is actually pretty lit. And then, just bought more and more and more and reinvested the money that I was making from mining into more miners, and took the money that I was making from my gas station job to buy more miners with that too.
All right, let's get a little tour.
A couple miners here, like fives, a few Bitcoin miners. We have a bunch of L7s here. So each of these miners is $22,000.
So these three miners right here are $66,000. Just these three?
Just those three, yep.
You got a BMW 7 Series on this shelf right here.
Yes, we do. We're like the government of crypto. We're just printing crypto. The government prints dollars. We print crypto.
How much money are you mining per month?
So we were mining about $15,000 in revenue per month. With the recent crypto dip, it's around the $10,000, $11,000 range. Still making good money.
Yeah, it's still pretty solid.